Hello, friends. Welcome to the Expiry Update podcast at Kotak Securities. This is Sahaj Agrawal, Head of Derivative Research. A brief on the medium term outlook. We believe the index remains in an uptrend and is expected to test the 19,000 19,200 mark in the medium term. Buying on dips is advisable. The current correction can be purely attributed to the increase in the US bond yields, and we really don't see any significant change in trend. Hence, this correction also provides us with an entry opportunity into select stocks where the risk reward ratio is quite favorable. For the short term, we believe the index has a support at 17,880 levels on spot closing basis. And as long as it manages to sustain above the same, the short term uptrend also remains intact. And we would expect 18,300, 18,500 in the coming few sessions. Alternatively, if 17,880 is breached on closing basis, selling pressure could actually aggravate, pushing the index towards the 17,350 mark. Let's look at some option pointers. For Nifty, the maximum open interest build up is seen at the 17,900 put and the 18,300 call options, indicating the range of 17,900 to 18,300. For Bank Nifty, the maximum open interest build-up is seen at the 38,000 call and put strikes. So Bank Nifty is rather indicating a range-bound movement as we get into the expiry session. The FI and the Pro segment have witnessed negative activity for the short term. There has been reduction in index long futures by the FI segment, whereas in the index option segment, FI and Pro both have added to short positions quite aggressively. For the expiry day, we expect a range bound movement with a negative bias. The resistance on the higher side remains at 18,130, and below which we expect a negative bias to continue. And as mentioned earlier, 17,880 would be a support level, which if breaches, then a possible selling pressure could accelerate. So the key levels to watch out for tomorrow's trading session would be 18,130, below which we maintain a negative bias in the markets. Thank you and have a nice trading session.